Hello everyone, I am Eat This Mom. I never thought that making chicken breast this way could be so delicious. My child keeps asking to eat it every few days. Honestly, not only the child, but if I don't eat it for 2 days, I crave it too. Crispy outside, tender inside. Very delicious. Quickly follow the video. To see the detailed steps, prepare 2 pieces of chicken breast. First, we need to remove the surface bits from the chicken breast. But many people, when handling chicken breast, often skip this step. The teacher from Nanchang New Oriental Cooking School said that if the bits are not removed, they will shrink together with the meat during cooking, greatly reducing the taste when enjoyed. Next, we will cut the chicken breast into small pieces. To make the chicken breast truly outstanding, removing the bits is not enough. You also need the correct cutting technique. For the thicker part of the chicken breast, cut perpendicular to the grain. The meat will be more tender. For the thinner part, cut along the grain. Like this. Handling the chicken breast this way makes it possible to cook a top-notch dish. We need to cut the chicken breast into long strips, not too large, because large pieces are harder to marinate. About 1.5 centimeters thickness is appropriate. Like this. Put the cut chicken breast into a large bowl. At this point, add a little salt and a little white vinegar. Then add some clean water. Rub the chicken breast. Salt and white vinegar can clean the chicken breast more thoroughly, as salt has a sterilizing effect, and white vinegar can fully wash out the blood from the chicken breast and effectively remove the fishy smell. Rub and wash once, then drain and take out. Change to clean water and rinse thoroughly. Then drain and take out. Put into a strainer. Use your palm to press lightly to squeeze out the excess water. But don't squeeze tightly with both hands for a long time, as the chicken breast will lose its shape. Next, put the prepared chicken breast into a large bowl. Now, we will marinate the chicken breast. Add a little salt. Then add a suitable amount of 13 spice seasoning. Then add a little white pepper powder. A little white sugar for flavor. Then add a spoonful of soy sauce. Half a spoonful of oyster sauce for freshness. Then add a little sesame oil. Now use your hands to mix well. Rub and mix for about 1 to 2 minutes, so that the chicken breast absorbs the flavors better. and will taste better later. Rub and mix to this level. Now set aside. Now prepare some green onions. Clean them. Cut off the white parts. Keep them for stir-frying. Cut the green parts in half. Then put them in a bowl. Add freshly boiled hot water to blanch. Doing this ensures the green onions won't change color during cooking. They will remain bright green and glossy. Also, it helps remove some of the moisture from the green onions, reducing water release during cooking. After blanching until soft, drain and put them on a chopping board. We finally chop the scallions. The finer, the better. If you can't chop them finely, you can mince them. This way, the scallions will stick to the dish better. The scallion flavor will be more intense. We put the finely chopped scallions into the chicken breast. Then crack an egg into it. Continue to mix well. Adding the egg is also very important. It makes the chicken breast smooth, not dry. After mixing well, we add a spoonful of flour. Then a spoonful of cornstarch powder. Cornstarch and flour in a 1-to-1 ratio. The mixture of the powders will make the frying just right. Not too hard, not too soft. Continue to mix well. During the mixing process, if it feels too dry, you can add more egg or water. If it feels too wet, then add a bit more cornstarch. Adding cornstarch will make it crispier. Keep mixing like that. Each piece of chicken breast is fully coated with the powder. That's good. Set aside. Next, heat the oil in the pan. Turn out the heat. Heat the oil until about 60% hot. When bubbles start forming around the chopsticks, put the chicken breast in. Put the coated chicken breast into the pan. Fry on high heat. Fry until it forms. Control the oil temperature. When you put the chicken breast in, the oil temperature must be high. This way, the chicken breast forms a crust. Keeps the moisture in. Once it forms a crust, reduce the heat and fry until the chicken breast is cooked through. Flip evenly. To cook the meat evenly. Dear friends, making videos is not easy. Each comment and like from you is a motivation for me. If you find my video useful, please give me a like. Thank you for your support. Flip evenly and often. Fry the chicken breast until cooked. Fry until lightly golden, then take it out. Set aside. After frying the chicken breast, eat it immediately for better taste. This way, the chicken breast will be crispy. When increasing the oil temperature, remove the foam and residue. To keep the oil cleaner, turn up the heat until the oil is hot again. Then put the chicken breast in to fry for the second time. Do it quickly, because the oil temperature is very high. It can burn easily, but ensures safety. Fry until golden and crispy on the outside. Take out and drain the oil. Hear the crunch. Just hearing it makes it sound delicious. Then arrange it on a plate to enjoy. The crispy fried chicken is ready. Golden crispy chicken. Crispy on the outside, tender inside. So fragrant. Take a bite, so delicious. Very tasty. Kids love it. Golden crispy color. Every piece is fragrant. No one can resist. If you feel hungry or have comments and suggestions, please leave a comment. Remember to like and share. Click on my icon to watch more cooking videos and tips. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. I am Lela's mom. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.